quickly installed an anti-sway bar that we picked up from Harbor Freight. It was like $30 with shipping and everything, so not too bad. Hopefully that'll help a little bit of the sway. Getting ready to start a window install. So here's our blank canvas on the outside. And the inside. Fill in the pilot holes so that we can make the cuts. We'll admit this is a little nerve-wracking to cut a big hole in the side of our trailer. Now we hope the window fits. First window in. Pretty cool. Looks pretty good. Okay, window number 2 marked off, ready to be cut. Window number 2 is in. Just gotta get it bolted down. Second window installed. Looks pretty good. Added a little twine trim around the windows. Curtains are up. Just have a simple twine tie we can undo. And there we go. Made those out of pillow shams. Pretty handy. Fit perfect. So we chose these little windows from Shed Windows and More because a couple reasons. For one, we liked how they slide up and they have a little screen that is removable, so if we need to clean it, it's easy to pop out. But also, because it was a rectangle, we were a little nervous, or more than nervous, to try and cut anything round for like regular RV type windows. And also I like the little almost cottage look of these cute little windows. Overall time took us approximately, I think, 3 hours to install both. And so it wasn't too bad at all. We had the whole weekend set aside, and now we can make other plans. So there you go. If you're interested in those windows, like I said, it's shedwindowsandmore.com, I believe, and so they were like $25 a piece or something like that. And we're super happy with them. We think they turned out really great. Don't forget to subscribe.